Why the rich aren't stormed daily financial wave. The rich have streams of supply sufficient for their daily demands. But the poor have only one or two supplies with various attached streams of inconvenient demands daily. That's why the poor can't ever elude the torture of lack of supply for his daily want. Note, wealth and poverty is a state in the world of economic. Poverty and riches are earthly made matters made by every human on earth. To be rich or poor is your casted lot from the economic state. It best to be wealthy because financial stability is the standard control in the circle of want, supply and demand. Note, I'm telling you this reality. Poverty can't be killed, it can only be overcome or disengaged. If you can attain the height of daily financial credibility, financial stability, you seek out what can make you financially capable and stable. In the economic state, that is when you can be disengaged from poverty. To be continue undisciplined in behavioral poverty still in writing. I am base mode bossy Ruth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on building